Alright, so these are the ugly wheels on our Lincoln. We're taking those off. We're going to make a Cobra Lincoln. So these are going to go on there. The only problem is there's too much back spacing. So we figured that out with spacers. They're 1.5 inch spacers. And obviously they're as close to hub centric as you can get. They're 1.5 inches. I read on a forum somewhere, or I think it was Car Domain, that you can only do like 1 inch. Well, I didn't do that because I don't do that. Anyway, hub centric is like 70.5, I think, and these are 70.6. I just looked up Ranger spacers because they're the same. Good luck trying to find exact Lincoln replacements spacers, because I don't think Lincolns were meant to have spacers on them. Well, it doesn't matter. Spacers will work. I've run them on Rangers, big trucks. Obviously you need steel. These are aluminum, they're billets. So this is what they look like afterwards. I think you can clear the rears without doing any kind of fender rolling. Well, we did it old school and we paid for it. You can see that right there. Yeah, the paint cracked because it's cold in Georgia, but whatever. It'll live. We can get it touched up. So yeah, these are 17x8 Cobra wheels. They're anniversary wheels off of a 95-96. 245 75 17s. No, 245 45 70 or 17s. I think Mercedes or BMW runs a 235 55, and that might have been a little bit better because it's not quite as wide, but this is a Ford product. We might as well run Mustang wheels on it, right? Mustang tires, who cares? That's what I have laying around. So this is all stuff that I had laying around off of other toys. Anyway, so we'll update you a little later. The tires that were on it are disgusting. 215/70 15s. It's pitiful. I wouldn't put that on my mom's car, but of course my mom drives a Mustang, so who cares, right? Anyway, they were dry rotted. Cords were broken. So there's bubbles in them. I thought the front end was falling apart. This thing's only got like 120,000 miles. It's a 94. It needs a little TLC, but there's Bad Apollo hiding over there. Trying to not look weird. Too late. Anyway, all right. We'll update you a little later.